Which sequence do you get when you start to add the counting number up? So let's first recall what is counting number up. Counting number has to do with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting number up mean you're counting 1, 2, 3 and not going to 1. If I had written this is counting up and down. Okay. Counting up only has to do with 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever it is. It just stops over there. Okay. So it stops over here. That's supposed to be a hand. Does it look like a hand? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, chalo. Next, what sequence do you get? To be honest, I don't remember what sequence will you get. Let's see what we get. So we will start off with 1, then right, then we are trying to add up, right? Let me change the color. Hurry. 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then we get 1 plus 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 10, right? Okay, again, always answer our conversation. Yes, I'm not live, I'm not in front of you, but please try to answer to yourself or the person next to you so that there is some kind of conversation and you guys are not bored and sleepy. So this is part A. So we're getting some sequence like this. So always conclude your answer. Conclusion means, okay, this is what I'm getting from this. So the sequence is we have 1, 3, 6, 10. From this, I'm not able to tell exactly, what I'm looking at. Right? Let's go to the part B. Can you give a smaller pictorial explanation? Let me do that. So we have 1, then it got converted to 3. So how can I put 3? I can do this. Then 6. So I had already 1 plus 2 plus 3. Oh, can you see that? Take a minute and pause and think about it. What is that we're looking at? We'll go with the next number, 1 plus 2 plus 3. You should be able to answer what kind of picture are we looking at. Yes, a triangle. So we are getting a triangular sequence, right? So there are a lot of names out there. That is, it's a triangular. Actually, I didn't remember the numbers when I was wondering what is this. Honestly, I just drew it, I just started doing it. Okay, so most of the time, if you guys don't remember, just put the picture. It just takes a minute, 30 seconds. So with that, you get clarity of what we're looking at, and then you can conclude. Honestly, I didn't know that all this were triangular numbers. There are a lot of things happening at this end. So yeah, that's your answer.